Hi there, Gemma from Xobuya here. We are going to take you through the next step of the journey, which is completing the install. We click on the install button, and here we need to select which line items have been installed, and this is where we can do a split install if need be. If everything has been completed, we mark it off, which we can control by this button here at the top. This is to be completed after the products have been installed to let the office know when the job is complete. Complete the office notes, and to complete the feedback loop with the sales rep, add notes there too, such as, "Oh no, not the dreaded 100 mil error." The last step here is to confirm if a repair is needed. And now we are ready to invoice the client.